Hey everyone, another glorious day at the office. Sun shining, Benidorm's getting back to its normal business date, and everything's going well for once, I guess. Got this sort of art exhibition. Look, awesome. I'll tell you something, there's some talent in Spain. Just some of the detail. Anyway, moving on from that, heading down towards Plaza de Triangular. Quick look at the rest first. Donkey and the Roaster. Nice beach one. Absolutely talented. Yeah, new woman there. Oh, that's a nice one, of course. Yeah, some very nice pictures actually. Alright, set it up. The talent in Benidorm's amazing. I mean, even the ones who sit up the castell and do like the paintings on the lights or something, just amazing. Hotel Avenida just there, I believe that is open. Got a scooter parked outside, so yeah, I should imagine it's open. Think with Easter kind of coming up, as well as Father's burning at the Niños, Paddy's Day, of course, coming up soon, as well as Cheltenham. Yeah, I think Benidorm's going to be busy. Touch wood that it don't rain all day on Paddy's Day like it did last year. Bit of a bad one last year. Absolute cold, wasn't it, Dad? Cold and wet, worst things, to be honest. Yeah, we went out, but yeah, it weren't really the best option. We got drenched and we almost lost our hats about 5 times because of how windy it was. But I was quite surprised actually, despite the bad weather, there are still a few people out to enjoy St. Patrick's Day, so not a bad turnout. Madeira Centro in a few days. Anyway, gonna be a busy weekend that for us, to be honest, because St. Patrick's Day on the Friday. On the Saturday I'm wanting to go up to Carrefour to get a new game. Then on the Sunday we're meeting Aunt Shaw and her husband Adam. So Oh, shite. I think you're right. I'd do more Andrew. But yeah, anyway.
Well, she got to us once.
Busy weekend. Very busy weekend. Coming out at the Plaza, the Triangular now and then. It's looking absolutely picturesque, to be honest. Just so peaceful. Then you got the orange trees as well.
Orange still on them as well.
Yeah, orange is still on them. Think they are there for people to take if you do want an orange. Robin Hood and Bobby Beans over the back, as well as McDonald's and the Bingo Plaza just in that corner. Also have KFC, and just behind us few sort of local Spanish bars. Well, one actually, because only one's open. We'll just give you pre-warning. They're expensive. And the lowest seats in Benidorm. You do realise I'm going to ask you to get back up now.
Yeah.
Come on, Dan. You want I'll put, because you are getting on a bit, aren't you? You broke it. Come on, Dan. Anyway, I forgot what I wanted to say now. Oh, yeah, I'm having a few week break off the iTunes for a bit. Cooking videos and normal videos are still gonna go ahead. However, I'm sort of debating on whether to just try doing a few more sort of life videos, if you know what I mean.
Bobby's upgraded with it.
I was thinking that Bobby's has upgraded a bit. Anyway, I was thinking of just doing a few more sort of life videos, maybe like couple more vlogs, couple more cooking vids, because I mean, Benidorm is getting filmed to death, really. As if it went hard with having like the other Benidorm tubers over here, Benidorm Anna, Benidorm enthusiast Yona McCrum. Apparently we've now got the Map Master and Jeff Carter to compete with, so as you can guess, quite a lot of Benidorm videos being made, so not really many people watching the ones we're doing at Benidorm. Sorry to go into a downer to end the video. Anyway, smash that like button, smash subscribe, and I'll love and leave you with the view of the beautiful fountain and the not so beautiful chicken feeder. Adios, mi bueno amigos.